welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Masala Vada. It's a very crispy and tasty snack that you can easily make at home. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I soaked 1 cup of chana dal for 3 hours. Drain off the water and add it to a mixie jar. Then add 2 garlic pods, 1 piece of ginger, 6 dried red chilli, half teaspoon of fennel seed. Grind this coarsely. Transfer the content to a mixing bowl. To this add 1 onion very finely chopped, a teaspoon of chopped curry leaves and half teaspoon of salt. Give it a nice mix. Now grease your hands with oil and pull out a small portion and make a smooth ball out of it. Give it a slight press and keep it ready. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, drop in the masala vada. Let this cook in medium flame. Flip it to the other side when one side is completely done. Fry until it turns golden brown on both sides. Once done, remove and serve it nice and hot. Very easy, quick and tasty recipe. So do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.